Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is today's look. Hope you enjoy how this look turned out, and if you want to see how I created it, stay tuned. Jumping straight into the look, I went in with this orange called Secure from the Profusion Confidence palette. I'm packing it on and blending it out. And to further blend, I went in with this brush, either with no product or with a skin tone shade to blend out the edges. Now I'm going in with this red shade called Love Letter from ABH Modern Renaissance palette, placing this shade in my outer V and dragging it into my crease. Going back into the orange shade to help blend harsh lines, and back into the red to place back any color that was lost. Now I'm cutting my crease and tapping away any excess concealer and blending the edges. For my lid shade, I'm using the color Sunny. And I'm testing it to see if the color will apply good with my finger, and it does. Now I'm adding my inner tear duct highlight using the shade Supple. Adding the color Bite for my lower lash line that you could barely see, and mascara, and the look is complete. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to stay around for my next upload. Hit that subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.